It's the iPod 7th generation in red, 32 gigabyte. Haven't had an iPod since 2017, so it feels good to get another one. Oh crap. Look at that. Product red too. 32 gigabyte. Yeah. Product red iPhone 7. Give her a boot up here. And they see me in the camera. What's up, dudes? Yeah, we'll let that boot up here. Go through the rest of the box here. Oh crap, there goes the knife. I almost cut my foot off. And there you go, look. Get a product red card here. And you get your 2 Apple stickers. And your instruction booklets, but you don't need those. You already know how to use an iPod already. Here's a lightning cable. And a pair of earpods with no microphone or remote with the weird styrofoam. Nice, I could use this actually. It's got a headphone jack. Wait. Alright. I'm gonna go set this thing up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and I got the iPod all set up here. She's currently on iOS 12. I don't know what version, I didn't look yet, but give her a little wipe down here. Wipe that camera down. There we go. Look at that baby. She's looking nice. It's not focusing, this is weird. There we go. But yeah guys, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.